Hi Deepak Singh on behalf of Ambience Group. Welcome Zricks team to our project Ambience Tiverton, Sector 50, Noida. Today we'll showcase our project. So currently we are in our lift lobby wherein we have just 2 apartments on a floor. So you can have the entire look of the lift lobby, elegantly designed. You have 3 lifts on a floor. We have 2 staircases every tower. There will be 2 apartments a floor. Like you see, we have beautifully designed Italian marble arch on the walls of the lifts. Now we'll take you to the 3 BHK tour. So this door that you see, it's a high quality Indian teakwood door. Similar door will be given for all the apartments. We have 3-tier security. First tier will be entry of the group housing. There will be guards. Second tier, at the reception of every tower, there will be guards. And third tier is this camera calling doorbell feature that we are giving. So let's enter the apartment. Now at the entry foyer, you will see this screen. That's the third tier camera calling doorbell security feature we have. Now we'll enter the kitchen. Same door we'll be giving. So beautifully veneered finished doors you'll be having. This is our kitchen. It's a complete modular kitchen with all the fittings mostly of Hetek. All the cabinets will be from Hetek. Soft push closures will be there. We are giving all the appliances with the kitchen, be it your gas, chimney. Here you have microwave. You have a lot of storage in the kitchen. There will be hydraulic storages also. Now, like you see on the walls, we are giving this lacquered glass. So it's a heat resistant glass. It is very easy to maintain. You just wipe off with a dry cloth, all the dust, grease, nothing will stick. Now on the other side with the sink, just above this wet area, there will be wet plate racks with drainage tray. It is a complete done kitchen. A family just move in with the utensils and start cooking. There will be a garbage crusher additionally with the bowl. So all the food left over will be zeroed down. Now like here you see, that's a grain trolley we are giving. So no further investment will be required in the kitchen. It's completely done. We are giving a double door refrigeration also. So along with the kitchen, you have a connected balcony. It's a 5 feet wide balcony. You have the beautiful view of the internal green landscaping that we have done. On the left of this balcony, we have there's a provision to place your washing machine that we are already giving with as a part of the apartment. Now here at the right, you have a pod room, a common washroom. Now we'll take you to the first room of 3 BHK apartment. Now here in this room, we have created a bedding storage wherein you can place all your duvet covers, bed sheets, pillows. Let's show you the washroom. Every room has a connected washroom. So you'll be having shower cubicles in all the washrooms. We have taken care of the minute details like here in the drainage that you see. It's a panel that we use, not a chrome plated normal jali. All the bath fittings will be complete of good brands. Our wardrobe is inbuilt in the washroom. It's a complete modular wardrobe, easy to use. So like you know, we Ambience are known for our legacy, our designs. So in the washrooms also, all the walls you'll find they are finished with the Italian marble. So geysers are installed in all the washrooms. There will be ceiling mounted geysers that would not be visible to give that extra inch of finish. Well, there is a balcony connected with all the rooms. So let me take you to the connected balcony with this room. Well, that we said mentioned earlier also, we take care we focus a lot on our finishing work. So here in the balconies also, all the flooring work that you see will be of Italian marble, finished with the railings of stainless steel with toughened glasses. So these footlights that you see, these small details add the extra inch of elegance. Well, going ahead, let us take you to the most important part of the apartment, the living area. So like you see, it's a completely done living area wherein you just have to place your furniture. It comes with the complete false ceiling with all the cove lightings done. So instead of hanging split screen, we have given this ducting. So it looks more elegant. On the other side, parallelly, you have a dining area. In the entire apartment, from the starting of the foyer of the house, you'll find that this wooden paneled false ceiling is done with all the cove lightings. Above these are the AC ducts that are going. Well, going forward, let's take you to the second room of the apartment. Now here in this door that you see, it's a 8 feet door. So we have given this extra 2 feet of panel above the door to give this extra finish. The beauty of this room would be there are 2 wardrobes in this room. So one is facing the bedside. And the other one is behind the door here. So this is also complete modular wardrobe. Now let me show you like we take care of all minute details. So if a family places a side table with this double bed, so we have accordingly given a slider wardrobe here, so that it becomes very easier for a family to use this wardrobe. So likewise, you have seen the wardrobes, the balconies. So let me show you the connected washroom with this room. So this washroom comes with vanity storage. There's a huge vanity given. So the vanities also that you see will be of similar texture, color of. Again, connected shower cubicle with rain showers, hand showers. Geysers will be installed, ceiling mounted. Now this window that you see, this can be beautifully utilized, creating a French window concept. Just imagine reading a book or sipping a morning evening tea here, enjoying the view. Now like we said that every room there are connected washrooms, there are independent wardrobes for every room, there are connecting balconies also. What the wardrobes would be. Now this is the same balcony that was connected with the kitchen. Well, last let me take you to the master bedroom of this 3 BHK apartment. This room also comes with 2 wardrobes, one at the bedside, one behind the door. You have a connected washroom here. We have huge vanity storages here. So soap, shampoos, conditioners accordingly can be placed. This shower cubicle that you see, here you'll be having wall mounted showers also, the wall jets along with the rain shower. So let us take you to the connected balcony from this room also. So in all the apartments you have balconies opening parallelly. With every room there are connecting balconies, so there'll be good ventilation throughout the day. In the daytime you do not need to turn on any of the lights. The natural light would be so sufficient. All our wardrobes would be modular, which will be very easy to use. So if you can see the depth of the wardrobes, these drawers that we have given, they come with the soft push closures. Similarly, there is a wardrobe behind the door also. Well, there'll be servant rooms with all the apartments. So let me show you the servant room with our 3 BHK apartment. Now, since we are entering the back area, so in the flooring, in the staircase area, we have used all granite. So there are 2 staircases in every tower. Just one behind this wall, there's another staircase. Now let me show you the servant room. So like you see in the servant room also, the door is of similar quality of what the internal doors were given in the 3 BHK apartment. So for a single helper, it's a self-sufficient room being made with all the fittings done. Comes with a connected washroom.